And this leads me into the next thing, and has been a huge impact in our industry, for the entire manufacturing industry for the past couple of years now, and that's labor shortages. You know, we're seeing labor shortages everywhere. All of our customers are buying automation because of labor shortages. We have projects that were slated to be 2 years out that are today because labor shortages are so bad. We had one customer that was down 50% employees, which resulted in them not being able to put out enough product for their customers, and they produced product to big names like Ford. And when you're producing product for a company like Ford, you can't deal with having labor shortages and not being able to output your product. And when it comes to labor shortages, there's so many creative ways to include automated systems or some new process. One of the big things that we've been doing is AMR technologies to help with labor shortages, because they're offering a new piece of technology that once was not available in our market to now be able to fill a gap with some of the logistical things within inside a manufacturing facility.